What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the printer cartridges on your HP OfficeJet 3830. As you can see here on top of the printer, I have a new black ink cartridge and a new tricolor ink cartridge that we are going to put in our printer today. So make sure your printer is on. Make sure you have paper in your printer. What we're going to do next is just open this bottom door right here. There are little tabs on the side. You just grab with your fingers and simply release. Once you get that first door down, there's another one on the inside right here that hides your printer cartridges, and you can see the little insert here. We're just gonna get our finger in there and pull down. And as you can see, the printer automatically moves the cartridges to the center where they're easier to access. Once you've got that inner door open, you can see we've got our black cartridge on the right. We've got our tricolor cartridge on the left. I'm going to be replacing both of these. All you have to do next is get your finger on top here and just push down on the cartridge that you want to remove. Again, I'm taking both out. We just simply remove the cartridge just like that. Same thing on the other side. Simply press and remove. All right, so as you can see here, I remove the new tricolor ink cartridge from the packaging. Be aware on the back, you don't want to touch any of this area, but you do want to remove this sticker before you insert. So we've got that undone, and we just do the opposite of taking it out. So we push this in, kind of at an angle upwards, and slide right in. We'll do the same thing with our black cartridge now. All right, once you've got that black cartridge out of the packaging, again, remove that protective cover and insert just like we did before. Again, up at an angle and push in. And after we have both of those ink cartridges back in, we're going to close that inner door. Okay, next we are going to close that outer door. And then the display on the printer tells us to load white paper in the tray and then touch OK to start the alignment. So we will do that. It tells us genuine HP ink cartridges are installed, and we hit OK there. And as you can see here, the printer is doing some work as it's letting us know by the message it's aligning the printer. You should receive an alignment page from your printer. What we are simply going to do is open the cover of our printer to complete the process. As you can see here on the message on the bottom, the printer is telling us we have to scan the alignment page for the best quality. As you can see here, lifting the lid, putting that alignment page face down on the right front corner of the glass, and then closing the lid and pressing OK. So we will do that. Simply insert to the right corner, and then we press OK again. The printer is telling you it is scanning that alignment page. After about a minute now, if you can see the message down here, it says printer alignment successful. Cartridges are now calibrated for best print quality, and recycle or discard that alignment page. So we hit OK, remove our alignment page, and that's it. Thanks for joining, everybody.